Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Taxi app inside backends API as well as app API inside. Today we need to create here the user subscription plan listing API we need to develop here. First of all, we need to needs here the create post methods app dot post and to give this here the names as a single quotes this API to slash give this here the subscription list subscription plan list like this. Give this here the API names, need to set this here, and also need to create for the this user sets API. Before we need to create for the admin list API we need to develop here, so only actively subscriptions we need to displaying here, and also need to print this here the parameters of the body need to print here. First of all, need to give this here the request dot body we need to print here like this sets, and also now need to verify the access tokens. We need to verify first of all, need to pass here the request object dots headers. We need to pass here, and to give this here the response object we need to pass here, and now need to returns here the if user is valid into gets here the user objects like this. We need to get here into function operators we need to call this here. Now need to write down here the db query of the list of the subscription list need to get here. First of all, need to needs here the select from and to set here the tables names need to give this here the subscription plans table names need to give this here subscription plan. This is the tables, and give this here the alias names need to give this here the sp like this sets here, and also need to pass here value sets give this here the errors, and results need to pass this here the gets here returns, and function operator need to call this here and to write down here the first of all the error message. If need to get here the errors and to print here the throw errors with the HTML errors, need to give this here first of all the error objects, and response object need to pass because we need to return here the response the servers. Now we need to get here the results, not needs results need to return here the response. Sessions like this give years, and to pass this here the status like this sets years, and to give this here once, and to return here the payload. Now need to pass here result this need to return these results, and now need to fix this query. First of all, need to give this here the one by once the parameters. First of all, need to add here all joins. Need to needs here first of all give this here plus signs, and to set here the inner join to write down here, and to join with the join tables. So need to joins join dot slash as need to alias give this here the zl, and to past years give this here the on methods need to call zl dot need to pass here the zone id equal to need to give this here the sp dot zone id need to connect with this zone link. Now need to another tables need to join here needs here first of all need to join in inner join to give this here the table name service details into identify of the service, and to these tables inside we need to search plans inside into multiple service id we need to concat with the comma separators we need to use. That's why I need to use here the find insert for the inner joins. We need to also use details, and do this here the alias names sd, and to write down here on methods we need to write down here the find insert that like this, right? And to pass this here the hd dot need to give this here the service id, and to set here the comma separators, and to pass this here the sp dot service id need to set here, and to paste this here and give this here the not equal to 0 like this sets, and to give this here and methods, and to call here the ht dot status is equal to 1 and display, otherwise not gets here this data. Like this conditions we need to set this here, so also need to another conditions we need to set here the concat with where conditions need to needs here this here the speed here the status equal to 1 past years, and conditions need to write down here sp start more than and equal to now fix, and conditions need sp dot and it then or equal to now like this sets here these conditions, and now need to pass here the what's for needs value need to pass here. First of all need to get the sp sp plan name sp details, and here sp dots days, how many days for the subscription available active, use this here the amounts of the plan to check here maximum discount, what's need to set this here max ride to use this here the zone id with the sp dot service id sp dot minimum amount, apply this subscriptions, and get the discount percentage like sets years, and get another sp dot needs here the displaying image sp dot the type like this sets years, and here sp dot and sets, and also need to join with the on name, also need to set here the service names we need on get here, use here the on get this name. Like this sets here this the value and to past is years and to all years. Also need to pass this. Speak on ID. Sets years and to return this response. All this like years. Same API I need to create here for the admin sites. Be typo this here. Like this value need to save. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.